Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a watermark in TradingView chart. A watermark is that faint background text you sometimes see on a chart, usually showing the ticker, symbol, or time frame. It's handy because it keeps key information visible without cluttering your candles or indicators. This is especially useful if you're analyzing multiple assets throughout the day and don't want to second guess which chart you're looking at. Let's walk through it together step by step, and I'll add a few tips so you get a clean, professional look. Start by opening your chart in TradingView. Look toward the top right corner of the chart area and click the gear icon. This opens your chart settings. If you don't see it immediately, make sure your chart window is selected and not covered by another panel. Sometimes side panels or watch lists can overlap slightly. The gear icon is where you control the visual style, colors, and other display options. So this is basically your command center for customizing how your chart looks. Inside Settings, go to the Canvas tab. This is the section that controls the look and feel of the chart background. Things like the grid, background color, and yes, the watermark. It's also where you can make small adjustments that dramatically improve clarity. If you're someone who spends hours reviewing charts, these visual tweaks can reduce eye strain and make your workspace feel more organized and intentional. Within the Canvas tab, find the drop-down for Watermark. Click it to expand your options. Here, you can choose what the watermark shows and how it appears. Select the items you want to enable, such as the symbol, the name, or the time frame, and then choose the color. For example, if you frequently switch between time frames, enabling the time frame in the watermark helps you instantly confirm whether you're on the 15-minute, 1 hour, or daily chart. If you want the watermark to be visible but not distracting, pick a shade that contrasts just enough with your background. A softer, lighter color usually keeps it subtle and prevents it from competing with your price action. If your background is dark, a muted light tone works great. If your background is light, go with a gentle gray or slightly darker color. Aim for legibility without overpowering your chart. Think of it like branding your Shopify store. Clean, simple, and easy on the eyes always wins. Once you've made your selections and chosen the color, click OK to apply the changes. You should immediately see the watermark appear behind your price bars. If it looks too strong or too faint, don't worry. Just open the gear icon again, head back to the Canvas tab, and fine-tune the color until it feels right for your layout. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially if you're recording tutorials, taking screenshots, or sharing your analysis with others. That's all there is to it. You click the gear icon, went to Canvas, opened the watermark dropdown, enabled the options you want, picked a color, and confirmed your changes. A well-tuned watermark keeps important details front and center while letting the analysis remain clear. It's a small customization, but it adds a more professional feel to your charts. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your cleaner, more informative charts.